Hi, welcome to our eye chart demonstration. Right now, I'm in the process of unboxing, and inside we have an eye chart, an eye occluder, a pointer, and some double-sided adhesive strips. You can secure the chart in place using the adhesive strips or other suitable tools you have. The chart is tightly rolled up, secured with a rubber band. Once we remove the rubber band, we can gently take the chart out from the plastic protective film. Be sure to open it carefully to avoid any accidental scratches on the four corners. That's all. Thanks for tuning to our product showcase video, and we hope you have a wonderful day.